We are now in the last part of our reading now, which is the Numbers chapter 3 verse 43. And thank you for still continuing viewing and watching our video right now. And now we will gonna start with the first word of the verse 43. The Hebrew word here is wayeh. This wayeh is a verb kal, while consecutive imperfect third person singular, and it was a main verb used in a sentence. Then the next word is call. This call is a quantifier in the sentence, and it is also a modifier. The sentence is a modifier in a phrase. Then the next word is bikor. Bikor is a noun masculine singular, and it is the subject of the phrase of the sentence. And then the next word is zakar. Zakar is a noun or adjective of the word, and the uses of this is a position of the sentence. The next word is beamashpar. Beamashpar is a preposition plus noun, and the uses of this is a preposition uses in a phrase or in a sentence. Then the next word is siyumot. Siyumot is a noun masculine plural, and it is a genitive use in a sentence also. And then the next word is miaban. Miaban is a preposition plus noun, and it is the temporal phrase in the sentence. In a temporal phrase in use in the sentence. Then the next word is hudash. Hudash is a noun, and it is the object of the sentence. Then the next word is wamalah. Wamalah. It is a conjunction plus adverb in uses in the sentence, and it is a modifier used in the phrase. Then the next word is lekhodem. Lekhodem is a preposition plus noun. Then it is a circumstantial use in the sentence, circumstantial. Then the next word is seniemem. Seniemem is a numerical, and it is the syntax is a number phrase in the use in the sentence. Then the next word is wiyesharem. Wiyesharem is a numeral. Is a numeral and a number used in a phrase also. The next word is ielep. This word ielep is a noun also, is a noun. Then a numerical unit uses in a phrase, in a sentence. Then the next word is selosa. Selosa. This selosa is a number, and it is number phrase used in a sentence. The next word is Wiyeshebem. This word Wiyeshebem is a numeral, and it is a number phrase used in the sentence. Then the next word is Omatiem. Omatiem is a numeral also, and it is a number phrase in a sentence. Thank you for watching our video right now, and I hope you are blessed, and God bless you.